Let's cook dinner. Why do I got fish? Hug, this is super hard to cook. You know what? Come here. I'm trying to shut you off. Put those back in the kitchen. I'll just skip dinner. Oh my god, my arm's broken! Give me a sec. Finally, I gotta just grab my car. You know what? I can walk. Just gotta find the grocery store. Or I can steal. You know what? I'll just pull my car out. Sorry guys, you weren't supposed to see that, but just sound like you didn't. Okay, I'm almost home. I just hope I get the right side of the bed today. It's already 4:45. 7, 8, 48, 4:49. Ah, dang. Must be awake pretty late. Don't care, I'll run over somebody. It's that green always. What? No. Gotta get to my house. Please don't tell me somebody's at my house. Wrong house. Where's my house? Oh my freaking god, where's my house? I forgot. My freaking god, is that my house? No. Wow, give me a minute. I can find my house. Yeah, I changed it, by the way. I gotta move my stuff into this. I'm gonna move, so I'm gonna grab my stuff. I'm moving to a nice apartment. Actually, I wanna go to the beach, so I'm gonna pick beach clothes. Please tell me this has beach clothes. No, this is the kid room. It's not even my room. If I have a kid, we ever broke up, never be sad. Bleepy stuff you said. We ever broke up. Got my bag. Now I'm ready. Honestly, I'm just gonna walk there. A nice long walk. Perfect for me. This thing forever. Oh, I'm gonna go grab my car anyways. Or just do. Finally got my car parked and I'm at the beach. And I finished grabbing my bag. Yeah, got everything. And now I'm in my swimsuit. After changing, obviously. I'm in. Let's see, start swimming. Oh, yes. Swimming in the pool is so fun. At 10:56, I'm gonna go on this deck. Oh, I feel so relaxed. Oh, maybe the hotel has. There we go. Still not sit down. Just gotta figure out how to do that. Anyways. Don't mind that. Anyways, and this should be perfect. An hour later. Time to go home. Wait, I gotta get changed. Gotta go to the changing room. Finally changed. With this child? He's such a tiny little one. He's missing a foot. Never mind. Now I just gotta go. Oh, hey. This is a quicker ride to the grocery store. What's in the neighborhood? I don't want to crash into a tree. Ah! Oops. I didn't crash though, so that's good. But if I fail this test, my mom gonna use Kung Fu. Anyways, I wish my life was going fine and nothing would be in the way. But anyways, life is not going fine for me. Wish I was dead every single day, but nothing can any hurt me. And goodbye to the world. Finally home. That door didn't want to open for a second. I had to go to bed. And there's my room. Wait, I'll just turn on this TV. Stupid. Okay, I'll just watch the baking show. Also 1:21. I gotta go back to sleep. Goodbye, guys.